Goa government has recently notified Goa Chief Minister's Apprenticeship Scheme for a government establishment 2023 to increase the employability of a Goan youth having a 15 years residence. Minimum stipend to be payable 5th to 10th standard rupees 8,000, 12th standard rupees 10,000. ITI with NCVT and NCVT holder will be paid 10,000. Vocational technicians will be paid 11,000 and diploma holders will be paid 12,000 and degree in any discipline will be paid 13,000. I appealed all the Goan youth to register on a NAPS portal. They have to register on a NAPS portal. There are the opportunities available across the government establishment. They have to search the opportunities, apply for the opportunities. Portal is a user friendly. They have to use the URL link www.apprenticeshipindia.gov.in. Selection of candidates will be done by the government establishment on first come first serve basis, and apprenticeship training will be considered as an experience in any government job. And more details, CM will interact tomorrow 10:30 AM onwards.
Thank you.
Those who wanted to interact with Honorable CM, they can go to the nearest village panchayat or a municipalities, so that through Swayam Purna Mitra they can interact.